Hello guys, JL here from Tech Tutor. In this video, I'm going to show you how to buy stocks on the Webull app. So to do this is pretty simple. So to buy stocks here in the Webull app, you will have to go to your Webull app. You will first have to be verified before you can trade here, of course, but I'll just show you a sample. So here we have Apple and Nasdaq. So here you can see that you're able to see the chart of Apple, but you won't be able to trade unless you're verified. So here you can only do add simulated holdings, and right here you can share this link or you can take notes. So you can also add price alerts for those, but for others you can also do some actual trading using options only though. So it's not showing up right now, so let's try to restart the application. So here, so there we don't really have it, but it's gonna appear here in the center where it's gonna show you'll be able to trade. So here there's gonna be a button here right around here in the alert button. There's gonna be a trade button where you can buy and sell. So that is how you buy stocks on the Webull app. If this video was helpful, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.